Hello, welcome to BSgroup Data Analytics presents XLCubed, the forum from experts for experts. Today we will take a deeper look at interactions within XLCubed. I will demonstrate you which options are available. Please also check the XLCubed wiki regarding grid properties interaction options. Let's create our report structure. We will have an overview sheet, a detail sheet with a reference area and one date slicer. Now let's create the date slicer. Let's create our first grid and connect with our slicer. As I always tell, each grid should have a title. Let's create our second grid, connect with the date slicer and give it a title. Let me show you the interaction part and the available options. Track grid's active cell enables the position tracking within this grid as available input for other grids. Let me demonstrate this. We stay on North America, Accessoires. Now in our details grid, we will find under slicer active cell, which we can now use. The same for product categories and for geography. For measures, I want to keep my selection. Now we see exactly what we have selected. Apply tracking formatting uses the highlighting defined in the XLCubed format sheet. In our case, it will be highlighted yellow. Let's change this to blue. We can also output this information to Excel ranges in order to use them for recalculations or definitions. Output row members. Please use as much cells for the reference as objects you have in the selection. In our case, in rows we have 2 objects and in columns we also have 2 objects. Now I select 2 cells and the same for output. And of course we can use a hyperlink to jump to a specific position within our workbook. Now let's create a hyperlink back. Now let's connect our grid with these references. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, feel free to like, comment and share. If you don't want to miss any feature, subscribe to our LinkedIn group, BSgroup DR presents XLCubed, or subscribe our blog on our homepage. See you next time, your BSG Data Analytics team.